The future is brimming with technological advancements that promise to reshape our world. These advancements will impact every aspect of our lives, from how we work to how we interact with the world around us. These changes will be driven by a confluence of emerging technologies. These include artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, and biotechnology. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it is essential to understand the key technologies that will shape our future. These technologies will have a profound impact on developers, architects, students, and indeed all of humanity. One of the most transformative technologies on the horizon is artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI refers to AI systems that possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like humans do. Unlike narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks, AGI will be capable of solving complex problems, adapting to new situations, and even exhibiting creativity. The implications of AGI are far-reaching, with the potential to revolutionize industries, accelerate scientific discovery, and redefine the very nature of work. Another groundbreaking technology that is rapidly advancing is neuromorphic computing. This revolutionary approach to computing draws inspiration from the human brain. It aims to create computer systems that mimic the brain's structure and function. Neuromorphic computing has the potential to overcome the limitations of traditional computing architectures. This will enable the development of more powerful and energy-efficient AI systems. Imagine computers that can learn and adapt in real time, process vast amounts of data with incredible speed, and solve complex problems that are currently intractable for traditional computers. The future of technology is not just about advanced computing, but also about harnessing the power of the quantum world. Quantum computing, which leverages the principles of quantum mechanics, has the potential to revolutionize fields such as medicine, materials science, and artificial intelligence. Quantum computers can perform calculations at speeds that are exponentially faster than traditional computers. This will open up new possibilities for scientific discovery and technological innovation. Imagine developing new drugs, designing innovative materials, and creating unbreakable encryption algorithms. As we delve deeper into this essay, we will explore these and other groundbreaking technologies. We will examine their potential impact on various aspects of our lives. Join me on this exciting journey as we explore the future of technology and the transformative changes it will bring. Artificial general intelligence is poised to revolutionize the way we live and work. For developers, AGI will usher in a new era of software development. It will enable the creation of highly sophisticated and autonomous systems. Imagine AI partners that can understand your intent and help you write better code. Architects will be able to leverage AGI to design complex and sustainable structures. They will optimize building performance and enhance user experience. Students will have access to personalized learning experiences tailored to their individual needs and learning styles. Neuromorphic computing will further accelerate the development of advanced AI applications. This will lead to the creation of more intuitive and responsive systems. Developers will be able to design applications that can learn and adapt in real time. This will revolutionize fields such as robotics, autonomous vehicles, and personalized medicine. Architects can leverage neuromorphic computing to create buildings that can adapt to changing environmental conditions. They will enhance occupant comfort and safety. Students will benefit from intelligent tutoring systems that can provide personalized feedback and support. Quantum software platforms will empower developers to create applications that can solve complex problems that are currently intractable. This will open up new possibilities in fields such as drug discovery, materials science, and financial modeling. Architects will be able to design structures with unprecedented precision. They will optimize material usage and minimize environmental impact. Students will have the opportunity to explore the frontiers of quantum computing, contributing to the advancement of this transformative technology. Autonomous code generators are already emerging as powerful tools in software development. These AI-powered systems can automate repetitive coding tasks, freeing up developers to focus on more creative and strategic work. As these systems become more sophisticated, they will be able to generate entire applications from high-level specifications. This will significantly accelerate the software development process and make it more accessible to individuals without extensive coding experience. Imagine a future where anyone can bring their software ideas to life regardless of their technical background. The future of technology is not just about powerful computers and artificial intelligence. It is also about seamlessly integrating technology into our lives. Wearable technology is at the forefront of this integration. It promises to enhance our capabilities and augment our senses. Brain-computer interfaces will allow us to control devices with our minds. This will revolutionize human-computer interaction and create new possibilities for people with disabilities. Imagine typing on a virtual keyboard, controlling a prosthetic limb, or even communicating telepathically, all through the power of thought. Smart tattoos and augmented reality contact lenses will blur the lines between the digital and physical worlds. These technologies will provide us with real-time information, enhance our perception, and enable us to interact with our surroundings in novel ways. Imagine accessing information, communicating with others, or even experiencing augmented reality, all through a discrete tattoo or contact lens. The possibilities are endless. Digital health twins, AI-powered exosuits, and self-healing smart fabrics are just a few examples of how wearable technology is transforming healthcare and enhancing human capabilities. Digital health twins will provide personalized health monitoring and early disease detection. AI-powered exosuits will enhance human strength and endurance. Self-healing smart fabrics will revolutionize wound care and improve athletic performance. These advancements will not only improve our physical well-being, but also enhance our quality of life. The convergence of wearable technology with AI, nanotechnology, and biotechnology is creating a future where technology becomes an extension of ourselves. It will enhance our abilities, improve our health, and redefine the boundaries of human potential. As we embrace these advancements, it is crucial to consider the ethical implications and ensure that these technologies are used responsibly for the benefit of all humankind. As we stand on the cusp of this technological revolution, it is essential to prepare ourselves with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in this rapidly evolving landscape. Cross-disciplinary learning will be paramount. As the lines between traditional disciplines blur, the ability to connect ideas from different fields will be crucial for innovation and problem-solving. Emotional intelligence will be equally important as cognitive intelligence. As machines become increasingly intelligent, our ability to understand and manage emotions, both our own and those of others, will become a key differentiator in the workplace. Empathy, collaboration, and communication skills will be highly sought after in a world where technology automates many routine tasks. Furthermore, the ability to adapt and learn continuously will be essential for success in the future job market. New technologies will emerge at an unprecedented pace, requiring individuals to be agile, curious, and willing to embrace lifelong learning. The ability to acquire new skills quickly and adapt to changing circumstances will be highly valued. The future belongs to those who are prepared to embrace the transformative power of technology, while also cultivating the essential human skills that will enable us to navigate this new landscape successfully. By fostering cross-disciplinary thinking, emotional intelligence, and a lifelong love of learning, we can empower ourselves and future generations to thrive in a world increasingly shaped by technology.